The Coach's Corner, Culture Scholar, Part 2, From Survival to Systems. If Part 1 was about surviving loneliness, Part 2 is about solving it. Culture Scholar Corporation isn't just a feel-good arts nonprofit, it's a public health response. The American Medical Association has identified loneliness as a health crisis. It increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, dementia, depression, even early death. We spend billions treating symptoms, but what if we invested upstream? Live music, structured listenings, shared cultural experience. This isn't entertainment, it's intervention. The next phase of Culture Scholar is expansion with structure. Right now, we serve retirement homes and a mental health clinic. The model works because it's simple and human. Consistent presence, curated programming, interactive discussion, and live performance. Participants aren't passive consumers. They are engaged, they remember, they respond, they reconnect. Now imagine scaling that. Phase 2 includes expanding into additional senior living facilities, mental health outpatient clinics, addiction recovery programs, immigrant and refugee support centers, low-income housing communities. Loneliness cuts across demographics, but underserved communities feel it hardest. The plan is to build replicable program modules. That means curriculum guides, training materials, evaluation metrics, and partnership, not just Ben showing up with a violin. A system that can train other teaching artists. We also aim to build partnerships with healthcare providers. Physicians are beginning to prescribe social connection as preventative care. Culture Scholar can become part of that ecosystem, a cultural prescription. Long-term vision, research, partnerships with universities. Data collection on mood engagement and retention. Published findings on the measurable impact of live arts programming in clinical and elder care settings. The moves that work from outreach to evidence-informed public health practice. Funding strategy evolves to grants from arts councils are the beginning. The next step includes healthcare foundations, mental health funders, aging services organizations, and national arts health initiatives. Diversified revenue builds sustainability. Sustainability builds trust. Trust builds scale. And here's the deeper layer. Everything about Culture Scholar is built on lived experience. I know that isolation feels like. I know what it means to sit in a clinic and feel invisible. That perspective shapes the design. It keeps the work grounded. We are not dropping culture into communities. We are restoring it. In a fragmented world, shared listenings is radical. In a distracted age, presence is revolutionary. Culture Scholar's future is about turning music into infrastructure, turning empathy into policy, turning survival into service. Loneliness is allowed in the consequences. Music is quiet in its power, but quiet power builds lasting change. And this movement, it's just tuning up.